Biersafe Bier, the ultimate eco-friendly solution for keeping your beer perfectly chilled. Imagine never having to deal with bulky, traditional coolers again. The Biersafe is an innovative underground beer cooler that uses the natural coolness of the earth to maintain your brews at the ideal temperature. Simply bury the Biersafe in your garden or yard, and you'll have easy access to cold beer year-round. It's designed to be both functional and stylish, adding a unique, rustic touch to your outdoor space. The Biersafe not only preserves the taste and quality of your beer, but also offers a sustainable alternative to conventional cooling methods. Perfect for beer enthusiasts and environmentally conscious consumers alike, this cooler ensures that your beverages are always ready to enjoy. Klappt is a foldable desk that can be electrically adjusted in height at the touch of a button. It meets all the needs of an ergonomic, functional, and stylish home office. Super easy to assemble, Klappt creates more space in a small area. Equipped with a work lamp and daylight lamp, Klappt turns every corner into the perfect workspace. Sockets, USB ports, and a modular organization system that offers space for a 32-inch monitor, among other things, make everyday work easier. The best thing, after work, you simply close your workspace, goodbye laptop, cables, and chaos of papers. What's left is a small, fine hiding place that integrates harmoniously and absolutely timelessly into your home. Invisible garage doors, the game-changing innovation that's redefining garage design. These doors cleverly disguise themselves as a wall, creating a flawless and modern exterior that enhances your home's curb appeal. With invisible garage doors, you can enjoy a sleek and streamlined look that's perfect for any architectural style. But that's not all. These doors also boast advanced technology and robust construction, ensuring effortless operation and long-lasting durability. Plus, they're customizable to fit your unique needs and style preferences. Experience the perfect blend of form and function with invisible garage doors. Discover the ultimate in modern garage design and take your home's curb appeal to the next level. Mega 10 Feet Portable Container Gymholix FastBox Edition, the ultimate solution for a home gym or portable training space. This innovative container gym is designed to provide a comprehensive workout experience, with a spacious 10-foot interior, heavy-duty construction, and a range of premium features. With the Gymholix FastBox Edition, you can enjoy a versatile and efficient workout space that can be easily set up and relocated as needed. Plus, its durable design and weather-resistant coating ensure it can withstand even the toughest conditions. Take your fitness journey to the next level with the Mega 10 Feet Portable Container Gymholix FastBox Edition, the perfect choice for serious athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Bumblebee Spaces. Imagine a world where your furniture adapts to your every need, where your space is optimized for productivity, comfort, and sustainability. Bumblebee Spaces, the revolutionary smart furniture system that's transforming the way we live and work. With its cutting-edge modular design, Bumblebee Spaces maximizes space usage, perfect for small or shared areas, and features advanced smart technology for enhanced functionality. Plus, it's eco-friendly, customizable, and promotes flexibility, comfort, and community. Whether you're a remote worker looking for a dedicated home office, an urban dweller seeking to optimize your tiny apartment, or an office enthusiast wanting to revolutionize your workplace, Bumblebee Spaces is the ultimate solution. Velux Balcony Window, also known as the Cabrio balcony, is an innovative window solution that transforms into a balcony in seconds. This unique design combines a roof window and a balcony, offering an instant outdoor space and maximizing natural light. The upper section of the window opens upwards, while the lower section unfolds into a balcony with integrated side railings. It's an ideal addition for loft conversions or rooms with sloped roofs, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your living space. Velux balcony windows bring a touch of luxury and a breath of fresh air to your home, providing stunning views and an outdoor experience without the need for major renovations. Interested in adding a touch of elegance and practicality to your living space? Velux balcony windows might be the perfect solution for you. Nexus 21 Kitchen. Modern kitchen with incredible hidden technology. Clean lines enhance the look and flow of a room. Unfortunately, today's bulky technology can disrupt the wow factor of any luxurious space. With hidden home technology, your client can showcase a sleek living space with the ability to transform a room in a matter of seconds. Through hidden home technology from Nexus 21, you can take everyday items such as a flat-screen television or even a kitchen appliance and have it appear quickly and quietly from any space, creating a home experience that's both aesthetic and functional. With the ability to use a pop-up or drop-down design as well as the convenience to accommodate an array of shapes and sizes, Nexus 21 can harmonize the elements of any room thanks to the functionality of hidden home technology. Spacegrill, the game-changing portable grill that's perfect for adventurous foodies and outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing in at just, insert weight, this lightweight grill is designed to go wherever you go, whether that's on a camping trip, to the beach, or simply in your own backyard. With its advanced insulation and ventilation system, Spacegrill ensures even heat distribution and efficient fuel consumption, allowing you to cook up a storm in no time. Plus, its sleek and durable design makes it easy to transport and store, taking up less space in your car or garage. Spacegrill is the perfect solution for a more convenient and enjoyable outdoor cooking experience. Get ready to blast off into the world of portable grilling and discover a new level of flavor and fun. Imagine a world where your windows are no longer just a view, but a portal to new dimensions. Introducing the Immersive Window by Hirt Kinetics, a revolutionary technology that transforms your view into an immersive experience. With stunning high-definition displays, advanced optics, and interactive touchless controls, this innovative window technology redefines the way you interact with your surroundings. Enjoy breathtaking vistas, enhance your entertainment and educational experiences, and boost your property's value with cutting-edge technology. Plus, with smart home integration and energy-efficient design, the Immersive Window is perfect for homeowners, businesses, and educators looking to elevate their spaces. Discover the limitless possibilities of immersive experiences, from virtual travel to interactive learning, and upgrade your view to experience the thrill of the future today. Meet the Dukin HideOUT, a game-changing underground waste enclosure system that's transforming waste management. This innovative solution provides a safe, secure, and environmentally friendly way to store and transport waste, keeping your community clean and green. With its durable design and easy installation, the Dukin HideOUT is perfect for high-traffic areas and harsh weather conditions. The Dukin HideOUT is the ultimate answer to your waste disposal needs. Learn more about its advanced security features, sleek design, and how it can transform your waste management needs. Discover the Dukin HideOUT today and learn how it can benefit your community. Multimo Smart Furniture, the revolutionary solution for maximizing your living space. Perfect for modern homes and small apartments, Multimo's innovative designs offer multifunctional furniture that effortlessly adapts to your needs. Imagine a bed that transforms into a desk or a sofa that converts into a dining table, all crafted with style and efficiency in mind. Multimo Smart Furniture blends practicality with elegance, ensuring your home remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're working, relaxing, or entertaining, Multimo makes it easy to optimize your space without compromising on comfort. Embrace the future of living with Multimo Smart Furniture. MDM-Split Smart Home Garden Technology, the cutting-edge solution for modern gardening. This innovative system integrates seamlessly with your smart home setup, offering precise control over your garden's environment. From automated watering and fertilizing to real-time monitoring of soil health and weather conditions, MDM-Split ensures your plants receive optimal care. The user-friendly app allows you to customize settings and receive alerts, making gardening more efficient and enjoyable. Perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners, MDM-Split transforms your garden into a thriving, sustainable oasis with minimal effort. Experience the future of gardening with MDM-Split smart home garden technology. Skylark electric fold-away remote control attic stairs, the revolutionary solution for easy and safe access to your attic space. These innovative stairs feature a sleek and compact design that folds away when not in use, perfect for maximizing storage space. With the touch of a button on the remote control, the stairs effortlessly unfold and extend, providing a sturdy and secure path to your attic. The electric motor and smooth gliding system ensure effortless operation, while the safety sensors and handrail provide added peace of mind. Upgrade your attic access with the Skylark electric fold-away remote control attic stairs and enjoy convenience, safety, and storage optimization like never before. Hebeltech Residential, the future of building technology. Hebeltech is a revolutionary building system that combines the benefits of traditional construction with the efficiency and sustainability of modern technology. With Hebeltech, you can create beautiful, energy-efficient, and environmentally friendly homes that are built to last. The system features lightweight and durable panels made from autoclaved aerated concrete, which provide excellent thermal insulation, fire resistance, and soundproofing. Plus, Hebeltech's innovative design and engineering capabilities allow for fast and precise construction, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Discover the benefits of Hebeltech Residential and join the building revolution. Disconcept Pop-Up Kitchen. This innovative kitchen solution is designed for foodies, entrepreneurs, and anyone looking to take their cooking to the next level. With its sleek and modern design, the Disconcept Pop-Up Kitchen is perfect for events, catering, food trucks, and more. The PIA elements include a cooking station, prep area, and serving counter, all made from high-quality materials and designed for maximum efficiency. Plus, it's fully customizable to fit your brand and style. Imagine being able to cook, prep, and serve all in one convenient and stylish space. Discover how the Disconcept Pop-Up Kitchen can elevate your culinary creations and take your business to new heights. Poolar, the revolutionary pool solution that's changing the game. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, Poolar makes pool maintenance a breeze, ensuring your pool is always clean, safe, and ready for enjoyment. Say goodbye to tedious cleaning and maintenance tasks and hello to a luxurious and hassle-free swimming experience. Poolar's advanced features, including automated cleaning, pH balancing, and temperature control, make it easy to use and customize to your liking. Plus, its energy-efficient design saves you money and reduces your environmental impact. Upgrade your pool experience with Poolar and discover a new level of convenience, luxury, and peace of mind. PWRstation, the revolutionary solution for portable and sustainable energy. PWRstation is designed to provide reliable, on-the-go power with its innovative retractable solar panel system. Ideal for both residential and commercial use, it offers a hassle-free setup and deployment, making it perfect for emergencies, remote locations, or everyday energy needs. The robust, weather-resistant design ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With PWRstation, you can enjoy clean, renewable energy anywhere, anytime, reducing your carbon footprint and enhancing your energy independence. Embrace the future of portable power with PWRstation, where convenience meets sustainability.